are knowledgeable person, if you are knowledgeable person, why are you going to school and colleges nowadays? You have knowledge now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sure.
I want to say that only you go to a school, collect the degree. But I am going to a school, collect the degree.
Oh, you accept it. You accept it. Ki you collect a degree.
Exactly complete.
Okay, okay.
So I am going to a school, not only collect the degree. I am going to school, gain the knowledge, discipline, and innovations.
Okay.
Degree provides us knowledge with understanding theoretically and practically. So why you say degree is less important than knowledge?
I am not asking, ma'am. Degree is useless, but I am asking knowledge is more
Means
better than degree.
you are agree with the degree is more important.
No, ma'am. Knowledge is more better than degree. I am asking. Not degree is useless.
If
Did you understand my point?
Of course, I understand.
degree is less important than knowledge, so how? Tell me. How?
Give your point. Question. You are not playing question. Give your point.
I want to give you answer.
Yeah.
Degree recognize what I learned and degree certified our learning. Degree is a verified record and our theoretical and practical knowledge.
That's right.
So you can't tell degree is less important.
Now I want to say that degree is I understand degree is useful, but knowledge is more useful because you know what? Degree proves we study, but knowledge proves we can do.
You are knowledgeable person. So many knowledgeable person still pursuing degree. Why?
Oh.
Why?
Yeah.
Tell me why.
Because we are here because of education.
No.
Are here because, even we are debating in the basis of education, not because in the basis of degree. If you have degree, you can show audience. I have degree. I win the debate.
No, madam. If I have degree, then I have knowledge. You can't understand my point.
You have knowledge. That's why you have degree. Are
No.
you stupid?
Not. I'm not stupid. One second.
Don't shout out. Don't shout out. Calm down. Shout out is not a solution of any problem. So calm down. Ma'am, calm down.
I am understanding because you know what you said that your point is absolutely wrong. You said that I have degree, that's why I have knowledge. But
Okay.
I said that you have knowledge, that's why you have degree.
If knowledge is more important, one second. If knowledge is more important, then why every sectors, every field demands degree?
Every sector and every field don't demand degree.
They are stupid. Governments are stupid.
No, they are not stupid.
Are you knowledgeable person? Okay, no problem. Are you knowledgeable person? But you don't have degree. Can you qualify to be a doctor, an IS officer?
Everywhere. It's
How can you say that?
Understand me first.
Give her the chance. You want to say something?
It is not important that if we need something anywhere, we can't fit every formula and everywhere. It is a rule of life.
Okay.
So what do you mean? It is a rule of life. So
We can't say
you don't have any degree. So why do you eligible for any job?
we can't.
And can degree alone give legal authority?
Degree. I mean, and knowledge and what is your
Can knowledge give alone? Can knowledge alone give us legal authority?
can knowledge can
Hold on. Here we are not here to do cat fight. Okay. Just have some patience. Everybody will get the chance. One situation. Don't create that.
Okay, you
now,
got
do you
your
want
point?
to reply him or I mean her, or you want to speak something?
I have a question.
Yeah.
Of course.
But firstly, you give me my
Lots
answer.
of degree, ma'am. If you have a lots of degree, don't do anything. You don't any job. You depressed because of degree. What do you do?
But degree is not says कि degree don't promise success.
What I have answer. Yeah. You mean to say that ki degree holders are useless? It means.
course I said.
Okay, of course you said. Listen to me very carefully. Listen to me very carefully. Listen to me. Degrees holder are waste their degree. This is not false your degree. This is false your knowledge and this is false you. You know? This is fault yourself because you waste your degree. Because no, you waste your degree. This is not fault of degree.
Okay, my question is, if you have a lots of degree, don't do anything. You don't any job. You depressed.
This is fault of degree. This is fault of degree. No, this is not fault of degree. This is fault of your knowledge.
And
Yeah,
you accept
right.
it, this is fault of knowledge. You accept that you accept knowledge is more important than degree.
I can't accept this. I can't accept this.
Many degree holders become successful. So this is not fault of degree. No, this is not fault of degree. So many successful men have degree.
To me, ma'am.
So you can't tell.
Because of knowledge, not degree.
No, I have also.
That's why I'm standing here.
If you have no knowledge, how can you expand of degree?
I have a degree and I develop my skills, communication skills. That's why I am here. And this is, you have a lot of mind. You no. I haven't come. Yeah, let me explain. You have a lot of knowledge, and with knowledge I can do in medical profession.
Yes, ma'am, of course. My village is many medical sector.
How? No. Because in that field, listen to me. In that field, degree is mandatory, not optional.
Ma'am, degree
You don't know.
Listen to me, firstly. Degree is mandatory. But
Yeah,
knowledge
degree
is
is
super mandatory, ma'am.
No, there.
Knowledge is super mandatory.
But you haven't any degree. You haven't any degree in that field because degree is mandatory, not optional.
No. Excuse me, ma'am. Please listen to me. Excuse me, ma'am. Listen to me. You are a knowledgeable person. Let's assume, guys, clap for herself. She is become a doctor. She is become an engineer without degree.
Yeah.
She said, clap for herself. Clap for herself.
Because I said that if I have knowledge, I can earn degree. If I have knowledge, I can.
No, you are stupid. You can buy a degree. You can buy a degree.
Oh, okay. You are. Let her complete. Okay. Let her complete.
Can you
Yeah.
give me a single example? Can you give me?
No. You firstly you said. Sorry.
I wanna ask.
Firstly you said कि I have knowledge.
It's my turn. Let me ask. It's my turn.
Firstly you. Okay.
It's my turn.
Let her complete.
Yeah.
Can you give me a single example who gets succeed in their life with the basis of degree and without knowledge and skills? You give me a single example. Any single example. Can you give me only one example? Only one example.
Me. Me. With degree.
With degree.
I have a degree. That's why I'm here. Firstly, I gain degree, and after that
Become a teacher.
first I have taken degree, and after that I came here.
Listen to me first.
No.
I wanna say that because
And
people like you, that they only focus about degree and they don't take proper knowledge. They don't want to develop their country.
That time you said कि I have so much.
Change the mic. That you have
That time-
degree and you get.
Listen to me. That time you have said कि I have so much knowledge and I bought a degree. So do you don't know कि degree fake degree by a punishable crime.
Please go slightly back side. Give it back. Sir, अगर लड़ाई झगड़ा हो जाए तो it's not my responsibility because they are doing it on their own risk, okay? So be back because camera भी है, alright? Okay, all right. Now please, ma'am. You speak.
Okay, sir. If degree is not important, why everyone runs getting degree? Nowadays, I'm not living 1925. I'm living 2025. You know, madam? And I learn from the today's youth. I don't ask and I don't go into the past. If you go into the past, it is your fault. Learn from the nowadays. Learn from the nowadays. It is important because
You made your point, please.
Now let me speak. She says that have you one person noticed that she said that I said knowledge is a degree is not important. Have you noticed it? Have you
no,
noticed it?
you can't listen to me. You can't listen to me. You don't listen to me carefully. You don't listen to me carefully. You know.
Reply her question.
First reply my question. First you reply my question.
Firstly reply question and after that you can ask a question.
Let's her complete.
Sir,
तुमने मेरी बात को सुना.
firstly reply her question.
This is very tough for them. Yeah, please. You please.
Firstly-
Please listen to me. I am your teacher, okay?
Ma'am,
Please,
degree is important, okay? You say degree is important.
More important than knowledge.
Degree is more important, okay. Do you know Dhirubhai Ambani?
Yeah.
I am not telling Mukesh Ambani, I am telling Dhirubhai Ambani.
Okay.
Dhirubhai Ambani, they had 9th class failed.
Okay. One second.
He
One
built
second.
up 40 crores an empire in this world.
Okay.
पढ़ाया तो नहीं पढ़ा तो डिग्री नहीं लिया.
Okay.
8 पास का डिग्री नहीं लिया. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have guys degree? You don't have. One second. I asked you. One second. Listen to me. But do you have knowledge? Do you have degree? You say no.
Say no.
You have knowledge. So let's assume she's Ambani's. All are Ambani's. They have knowledge.
Yes.
So let's assume they all are Ambani's.
Are you Ambani's? Ambani's sisters? Ambani's brother?
Your answer is very strong. Okay?
No.
Thank you so much. And
Society doesn't build.
I'm asking, on which basic of giving the marks? Degree or knowledge?
Okay.
Knowledge basics of
Okay.
not degree.
But nowadays, degree is very.
Okay,
No problem, sir. No problem.
you have so much knowledge. Can you apply for driving license without degree?
Yeah.
And you know what? It's not.
1 minute. Listen to me. Can you apply for driving license
Okay, I can apply driving license.
without degree? Without degree.
Listen to me.
No. It is impossible.
Firstly, listen to me.
Okay.
Don't
Okay.
shout.
Okay. Complete.
Okay, I can apply
पानी दे
this
दो मैम को.
driving license. Okay, but I have no
मैम, पानी दे दो
knowledge. How can I drive the bike? How can drive a car? How can I apply the form?
I ask.
Okay,
I asked
apply
you.
the form, but I can not.
Don't divert. Don't divert. Let me my answer.
One second. Give me a mic.
Don't divert me. Don't divert me. My question is, if you haven't any degree, you are eligible to get any driving license? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
You should ask.
भाई can I give answer? I'm not a भाई today.
Your concept is very stupid.
No, you are
Stupid.
You haven't knowledge.
Tell me, if you have only driving license, you know how to ride.
हाँ, she can
You
drive.
know how to
Yeah,
ride. With driving license you can ride, and you don't have knowledge. How can I ride?
I want to take
One second,
I want to take learning license.
Learning license.
Learning license.
Learn,
And that time,
and you can ride.
if I have
Such a stupid mindset.
no.
Question.
I want to learning license. Take learning license, and that time I haven't any degree.
License is not
This is
free.
impossible. You have.
Not
Okay.
means that you
This shows you have no knowledge. This shows.
You have shown that you women. I agree with you. Seriously, I agree with you. Seriously, you are women. This is correct. Now, Be gentlewoman, huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now listen and reply. Okay? Do you have any question, madam? एक question सब पूछेंगे, please. Ask one question. हाँ, she has no question. देख लिया ना आपने?
Yeah, she has knowledgeable person. She has knowledgeable person.
Don't be angry at me.
And I have a question. APJ Abdul Kalam didn't do a PhD, but a doctor is written before his name. How?
What?
You didn't understand my point?
No,
I understand
repeat.
your point.
Repeat.
Okay.
Because I have no knowledge. I have no knowledge. Yeah, repeat. You have so much knowledge. You have so much. So repeat. Repeat it. Yeah, repeat. No, repeat it. Repeat it.
Calm down, calm down.
Okay. APJ Abdul Kalam didn't do a PhD, but
Yeah.
yet doctor is written before his name. How?
Because you haven't any knowledge. This shows. Yeah, because without we have taken any medical field doctorate degree, we can take.
Ma'am, do you have mind? APJ
Yeah.
Abdul Kalam didn't have a PhD, okay?
Oh,
Only graduate. He has got PhD.
हमें नहीं पता भैया इसके.
And you know, because APJ Abdul Kalam was called doctor not because he completed a PhD, but because he was awarded multiply honorary, extraordinary, continuous
okay. Means he taken a PhD doctorate degree. So he taken degree. And that means this shows degree is more important.
Yes.
This shows because he taken degree PhD.
Give the mic. Give.
Sir, but
What is the time is not aligned with
you didn't understand my point.
That's fine. Okay, बाद में खैरियत पूछे अम्मी, हम माफ कर देना हमको, हाँ, please.
Okay, I want to ask one question that
One
if a degree were only a measure of ability, would we call knowledgeable person who achieve, who research and who invents? Can we call this person invalid?
But you
No. She will answer.
Answer my question.
okay? Your question is very nice. But can you imagine? Can you imagine without degree, if any field you are qualified? No. Any field, every field demands and requires degree. Listen to me first. Every field demands and requires degree. Let's assume some field doesn't demand degree, but it depends array of skills, and skills is the part of degree. You know,
And you know
your skills, your experience is the part of degree, is the kind of degree.
Now, Lord,
understand my point. Skill is not
No,
a
you can
degree.
fight, okay?
Skill is a degree is a certificate. Skill is an ability you perform. Degree shows you studied. Skill shows you can do a work. If skill and degree were the same thing, they wouldn't be the separate term.
do you have question,
Do you
answer
have
of this
any-
question?
Do you have anything to ask now?
You know what? Nowadays everyone's running for getting degree. Listen to me. Running for getting degree. If knowledge is more important than degree, then how much days you are going to school and colleges? Tell me.
Okay, tell me why we say that only in Begusrai only assembly English is good in Begusrai. Why we say?
मेरे पे बात मत लाओ, please.
I'm not going to you. Why we say assembly English is good in Begusrai? Why we don't go anywhere?
Because I am good, that's why. It's enough for me.
It's not your answer. It's not valid answer.
It means this sir has knowledge, but sir doesn't have degree.
Sir has no degrees. Don't just speak about sir, please.
Sir haven't any degree.
You don't
I don't have any
to say
degree. I
that.
don't have any knowledge. Okay,
You don't-
that's fine.
And we are coming here because of knowledge. Because of knowledge, we are
Listen to me, madam. Listen to me. Listen. Knowledge is everywhere. Knowledge is everywhere, and you get easily knowledge. You know, but degree has the power. Listen to me. First, listen to me. Degree has the power, and degree demands confidence. Degree demands energy and patience. After that, we get the degree. That's why degree is more important than knowledge.
And you know what? You know what? Knowledge gives confidence. Knowledge gives confidence. Knowledge gives how to. Knowledge gives the way how to talk. Knowledge gives personality. And with the knowledge, I am here. And if I have only degree, I can't here. I can't stay here.
If you have degree na, people will understand you. You are knowledgeable person.
No, I will
Because
show with
degree
my
verified
knowledge.
your qualification. Degree verified your life. Degree change your quality of life. You know, madam?
Okay, ma'am. Listen to me.
change
I have a
quality of
question.
life.
I have a question. If you have a lot of
Firstly, I have a question because this is my turn.
Okay.
Knowledge need to prove, but degree does not need to prove. Why? Knowledge need to prove, but degree doesn't need to prove. Why?
Ma'am, degree is required for eligibility in some fields, but capabilities comes from knowledge and skills. And I have a question because of it's my turn. Okay.
Yes, it's your turn.
Okay.
And you know that if you have a lots of degree, ma'am, but if you have no knowledge, what is the value of degree?
What is this? You repeated your question. What is this? You are knowledgeable
No,
person.
I am asking
You
first question,
okay? You are knowledgeable person. You are knowledgeable person. If you have degree na, people will understand you. You are knowledgeable person. You have knowledge. You have knowledge. You have knowledge. Because
It's not my answer.
because who doesn't have any degree, they don't have knowledge. Actual knowledge. You know, degree demands actual knowledge. You have actual knowledge? No.
Practical and theoretical knowledge.
सर लास्ट क्वेश्चन होगा, ठीक है? पब्लिक भी तरस रही है सवाल के लिए, राइट? सो प्लीज लास्ट है ये, एक क्वेश्चन, राइट? प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, do not have to understand the time as well. Okay, understand? No? Thank you very much. Do it fast.
I want to give you one example.
Okay.
You know what? In recent time, one person whose name is Mr. Rais. You know, I think you don't know. I think you don't know Mr. Rais, who modified Maruti 800 in like. They modified Maruti 800 and that vehicle now running with gas, which we can use in water. We can take that gas from water. You don't understand? Can I give example?
No, time. Please understand time, please.
Can I show? Can I
Can
show
you
you?
repeat your question?
I have. Can I show you?
You are knowledgeable person, madam. You can show me. Why are you prove? Why are you prove that? Why are you prove that? You are knowledgeable person. I don't. Why are you proving me? Why are you are knowledgeable person? Why are you proving me? Why are you proving me?
I will not prove. Can you believe me?
Because knowledge needs proof. Because knowledge needs proof.
Yeah. But degree doesn't demand proof.
Listen to me, ma'am. I will give proof and I will give proof and I will earn real respect from in my life.
Yes, ma'am, I can understand.
But madam, you can't.
Madam, whole night चल सकता है ये, but we need to stop here, right? Because the audience won't watch the videos, okay? And I'm working for YouTube channel, madam, okay? So, एक दो question I want to take from the crowd, just one or two question, please sir. ये मेरे काम नहीं है. Who will select, okay? You want to ask question?
Yes, because we have to decide.
No, actually, I'll give 4 people chance. Okay, no, you please, put your hands down. Okay, Alia, please support me here. Come here. Okay. Limited time. Yes.
Okay.
Can I ask? I have a question from Team A. What's your name? Anshu. You said most of the person in your village work as like a hospital, in a hospital without degree. Is it possible? Or clinic, medical? Is it possible?
Yes, of course.
How?
Go and check.
Okay. If it is it? Tell me. It is legal or illegal? Without license, can I build my own hospital? Can I build my own clinic? Can I build my own medical sector? Is it possible or is it illegal?
I am not want to say clinic. I want to say open the medical.
Okay.
जो दवाई बेचते हैं.
Okay. Without degree, without license, can I open my medical? No.
Now question again.
We have to take license for medicals,
Team B, yeah.
for medicines, what's for selling medicine. Even we also have to take a license from any institute or any body corporate which is governed. Okay, so without license we can't do anything in medical sector or even any professional course.
Don't explore it. It's okay.
Okay,
Ask team B.
from for you.
My pain.
If tell me, if you are no degree, if you have no degree, okay, and you have lots of knowledge about law. No, don't worry. First I will to ask now. Okay, no. If you have no, imagine if you have no degree, ठीक है? If and then you have knowledge, you have lots of knowledge about Constitution of India, lots of knowledge about law, and you want to fight a case in the court. Is it possible? Degree is important. You said na degree is important. Important.
They are in the
If
favor.
I know, let's complete my question now. And just imagine if you have no knowledge. If you have,
How can you say that?
let's complete my question now. If you have no knowledge, if you have no knowledge and you have degree, is it possible?
How can you say that?
If you have no knowledge,
One second, let
Okay.
me complete. If I have degree, you are knowledgeable person, you understand my point, ki she is knowledgeable.
okay. But most of the person have degree without knowledge.
But we can go through legal.
Most of the person has degree without knowledge. How? Most of the person has degree without knowledge.
You also wanna do debate.
Exception na, but it is exist.
Pass the
What?
Please understand.
I know. Yeah. Exception. So is it legal? Is it legal? Without degree, without.
Done. Please understand. Please. Okay. Done.
So, another question sir I want to ask from everyone, like it is said that कि पहले जिन टीचर्स की बहाली ली गई थी उन टीचर्स में कुछ ऐसे टीचर्स थे जिनकी डिग्री पे बहाली ली गई थी, बट नाउ इट इज सेड दैट कि वही टीचर बहुत सारे बच्चों को मतलब पीछे जनरेशन में डाल दिया. व्हाई इट इज सेड दैट? ऐसा क्यों कहा जाता है?
Because of lack of knowledge. You said
नॉलेज.
That's
So that means knowledge.
You said degree is more important because government. Yes, of course, sir.
That means knowledge is very important to means to pursue any generation. मतलब किसी भी जनरेशन को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए नॉलेज की जरूरत पड़ती है. Then why are you talking about the degree is very important?
Because it is government's policy.
No. I'm not talking about Don't go there. It is not about the policy. It is about.
Time is not allowing me to do anything. It's done, yeah. You can decide now. Decide now. Okay.
So my question is from this side. As you all are talking about that degree is very important than knowledge, so I wanted to ask from you guys. Just suppose if you lost your degree and then you are big zero.
No, because I can get again degree.
Oh my God! Then you will complete your like bachelor's and one more. Then you will get your degrees.
In 5th class, if you fail in 5th class, can you enter the without certificate in 6th class? How can you say that?
I know that. I know.
Degree of age.
Okay, I just want to tell that if you are going to college, so first you are getting knowledge or first you are getting degrees?
Nowadays we are getting degree.
You have proved your points actually. वो वही वाला टॉपिक है, अंडा पहले आया या मुर्गी पहले आया, ये नहीं जाएंगे हम लोग. I cannot continue. Come here. Okay, this is done. Excuse me, this is done. Thank you for your participation and thank you for watching this beautiful video.